So without further ado, may I invite the first speaker to come on stage? Actually, I don't know whether they put down the name, but it's the one that about Django model.
Maxime.
Oh, Maxime. Sorry, that's your name. Yeah, OK, Maxime. Where are you? OK. OK. Hello? So are you ready? So, OK, my story will pause, and then I will let you. Oh. Yes, this is how it works. Come on. OK.
Hello, everybody. My name is Maxim Danilov. I am from Austria, and today I want to talk about problem in model Django Admin contrib, especially in class ModelAdmin. A little bit about me. I'm the owner from WebSoft company. We solve the complex things on Python, Django, and Vue.js. And these presentations are created from my intern, Martin Achenreiner. Thanks, Martin. And right go to Django. Somebody use Django in production? Yeah, thanks. Yeah. It means probably you are already used class ModelAdmin. ModelAdmin we import from django.contrib.admin options PI, and this class have a bad design from start. For 11 years we have bad designed class in Django, not only this class. And right now, we talk about problem, solution, and gains if we solve this problem. Problem of class ModelAdmin is we work always, every user work always with only one instance from this class. I mean, we work with ModelAdmins like these singletons. Every user used the same instance. That means that means we cannot store our data in this instance. We cannot use this instance like a container for temporary results. At the second, Django ModelAdmin works not in style generic class-based views in Django. For example, we have a method change view around 600 lines, and in this model they have works with request get, request post. We create a context. And if we want to store something, we should to create a special storage. And big problem as a speed issue. Every request, ModelAdmin calls many times 10 methods, from 2 till 9 times. Why? They cannot cache results of these methods. Solution is very simple, easy. ModelAdmin has a method get URLs. These URLs wraps binding methods of instance in admin view method. If we override admin view method, we should receive the good things. For example, if I become function bind method from instance which are singleton, I can create a new instance, and I can return function from new instance for every request. It means we solve already the big problem of Django admin. Now every instance not more singleton, and we can use this instance like a container for our values. Gains speed. We can cache every method and cache results of every method, and we receive more than 20% speed increase. The next thing, every user can store own data in instance, like in container. We don't need any more additional locals from threads or something else. And Third, we can create easy storage for additional values. And at last, we can simplify our code in Django Admin. That's all what I want to say. You are welcome. Asks. I have once more speech on this conference, and I have 2 speeches on the DjangoCon in Portugal. I know little bit more about Django than documentation from this project. You can ask. You are welcome.